Is Expensify a good investment? That's a question many of you might be asking, especially given the roller coaster ride the market has been on. We've all seen software companies boom, and we've seen them, well, not boom. So, where does Expensify, the expense management platform, fit into this narrative? Let's dive in. Expensify isn't a flashy, futuristic AI startup. It's a company tackling a rather mundane, yet critical, business function, expenses. Think about it, every single business, from the smallest startup to the largest corporation, deals with expenses. Tracking them, approving them, reimbursing them. It's a universal pain point, and Expensify aims to soothe that pain with its automated solutions. Their core product, SmartScan, uses OCR technology to read receipts, eliminating manual data entry, a real time saver for businesses and individuals alike. Beyond that, they offer corporate card management, bill payment, and travel booking, positioning themselves as a more comprehensive financial hub for businesses. Now, let's talk numbers and competitive landscape. Expensify operates in a crowded market. You've got established players like SAP Concur, newer entrants, and even accounting software giants like QuickBooks offering expense management features. So, what's Expensify's edge? They've historically focused on the small to medium-sized business, SMB, market, offering a user-friendly interface and a freemium model that hooks users in. Their strong mobile app presence and focus on automation have also been key differentiators. However, the SMB market, while vast, can be challenging. Customer churn can be higher, and businesses might be more price-sensitive. Another factor to consider is their revenue model. A significant portion of their revenue comes from subscriptions, which provides a predictable stream. They also have a corporate card offering, which generates interchange fees. This diversification is a positive. When evaluating Expensify as an investment, we need to consider several key aspects. First, their growth trajectory. Are they consistently expanding their user base and revenue? Second, profitability. Are they generating sustainable profits, or are they burning through cash in pursuit of growth? Third, their competitive moat. Can they continue to differentiate themselves in a competitive market, or are their features easily replicable? And finally, valuation. Even a great company can be a bad investment if you pay too much for it. Looking at their past performance, Expensify has demonstrated periods of impressive growth, fueled by strong adoption of their platform. However, like many software companies, they've also faced headwinds, including macroeconomic uncertainties that impact SMB spending. Their ability to innovate and expand their offerings beyond core expense management will be crucial for long-term success. Can they truly become a one-stop shop for business finances, or will they remain primarily an expense management tool? The expense management market itself is resilient. Businesses will always have expenses. The question then becomes, which platform will capture the largest share of this market, and can Expensify maintain its position or even expand it? Their strong brand recognition, user-friendly design, and continuous innovation are certainly assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.